Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So turn. Not too much. You can push your gas pedal. Just a little bit slower. Alright. Where do you want to go? Speed. Stay there. Okay. Safety foot just in case. Pardon?
How do I stop?
Well, you can't get the clutch in, so I'll do it. Okay, go that way. We'll go back around to the barn. Don't turn yet. Come back up onto the road. There you go. Now turn a little bit. Okay, watch your wheels on the road. Try and stay in the middle of the road, not near the ditch. There you go. Yeah. Okay, start straightening it out a little bit. A little more. So you see how tight that corner is now?
Yeah.
So you want to try and take your corners a little bit wider. Okay, and I'll put the clutch in. Okay, so then I want you to take this guy out of gear. So the same way you did, you're going to pop it straight back until you feel it loosely. So wiggle that around. Okay, you feel that?
Yeah.
That's neutral. Okay, so do the same thing with this. You're going to pop it back. You get, oh, too far. There. Okay, now wiggle it. There you go. So that's neutral.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I want you to do is, okay, take the red handle and you're going to pull it way out. Okay. So your light's on, that means your e-brake's on. And now slowly push this forward. All the way. All the way, all the way, all the way. There you go. Oh. That's fine. Okay, so now this is our, it's okay. This is our shut off. So you're going to pull this up and hold it until the engine shuts off. Okay, now push it back down. Okay, and now you're going to turn the key towards me until this light goes off. There you go. So now that's off.
Okay.
What do you think?
That was awesome.
You need some extenders for the
I have to like
this
do
is
this.
yeah. So you need some extenders for the clutch, for the brake, and for the
I can do the brake.
Oh, you got the yeah, mostly some extenders would be nice. Love to see. Thumbs
That
up.
was awesome.